Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and techniques to help you achieve your fitness goals. Today, we're diving into one of the most effective upper body exercises, pull-ups. Whether you're a beginner looking to master your first pull-up or a seasoned pro aiming to enhance your form, this video is your ultimate guide. We'll walk you through the basics, give you expert tips, and have you pulling your body weight like a champ in no time. So let's get started on the path to pull-up perfection. Hit that subscribe button, and let's elevate your fitness game with pull-ups. Step 1. Grip and hang. Find a sturdy pull-up bar and grasp it with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Ensure your palms are facing away from you. Overhand grip. Hang from the bar with your arms fully extended. This is your starting position. Step 2. Engage your core. Tighten your core muscles by drawing your belly button in towards your spine. Keep your legs together and avoid any swinging or using momentum to lift your. Step 3. Pull up. Initiate the pull-up by squeezing your shoulder blades together. Start pulling your body upward, focusing on bringing your chest toward the bar. Your elbows should remain close to your body as you. Step 4. Chin above the bar. Continue the pulling motion until your chin is above the bar. This is the top position of the pull-up. At this point, your upper arms are parallel to the ground. Step 5. Lower slowly. Lower your body with control, fully extending your arms. Avoid dropping quickly or using momentum. This eccentric, negative phase of the exercise helps build strength. Step 6. Repeat. Perform as many repetitions as you can with proper form. If you're a beginner, start with a number you can handle comfortably and gradually increase it as you get stronger. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these steps helpful in improving your pull-up technique. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep working on these fundamentals to build strength and achieve your fitness goals. If you have any questions or would like to see more beginner-friendly exercises, feel free to leave a comment below. Stay motivated, stay fit, and stay tuned for more great content.